around the nation, to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.
Enugu Air aircraft veered off the runway after landing at Benin Airport on Thursday, sparking concern among passengers and aviation observers. Fortunately, the airline confirmed that everyone on board, including all passengers and crew members, was safely evacuated without any injuries or fatalities.
Run for my life. Me will survive this one. I run. I not die again now. When leg cool. Oh, Jesus Christ. Thank you. Hold on, Oga. Thank you.
God, I thank you for my life, oh, Jesus.
Oh my goodness.
The aircraft involved was one of Enugu Air's Embraer regional jets, recently introduced into the airline's fleet for commercial operations. Shortly after landing at Benin Airport, the aircraft experienced what aviation experts describe as a runway excursion, an incident in which an aircraft leaves the designated runway during landing or takeoff. Although videos circulating on social media initially prompted reports that the aircraft had crash-landed, Enugu Air clarified that the incident was not a crash, but a runway excursion. In a statement released on its official X account, the airline reassured the public that the aircraft had been secured and that all established emergency procedures were followed. Enugu Air also confirmed that the relevant aviation authorities were immediately notified, as required under aviation safety regulations. The airline said an assessment of both the aircraft and the circumstances surrounding the occurrence is now underway to determine exactly what caused the incident. The airline also warned that the runway excursion could lead to temporary adjustments to some of its flight schedules, while the aircraft is examined and airport operations return to normal. Enugu Air said passengers affected by any delays or schedule changes would be contacted directly and provided with the necessary assistance. The cause of the runway excursion has not yet been determined. Aviation investigators are expected to examine several factors, including weather conditions, runway conditions, aircraft systems, pilot actions, and any other operational issues that may have contributed to the incident. Only after a full investigation will authorities be able to establish the exact cause. While runway excursions can appear alarming, aviation experts explain that they are different from aircraft crashes. Commercial aircraft are built with multiple safety systems, and airline crews undergo regular emergency training to ensure passengers can be evacuated quickly and safely whenever unexpected situations occur. The fact that every passenger and crew member left the aircraft unharmed demonstrates that these safety procedures worked effectively. Enugu Air reiterated that the safety of its passengers, crew, and operations remains its highest priority. The airline pledged to continue cooperating fully with aviation authorities and promised to keep the public informed as the investigation progresses. As investigators work to establish what happened, the incident serves as another reminder of the importance of strict aviation safety standards, continuous pilot training, and thorough aircraft inspections in maintaining confidence in air travel.
From around the nation to every corner of the world, delivering the stories that matter. This is First Next News.